Have all of you heard the news? We have a visitor to our solar system. It's a new comet, and it should be visible to the naked eye within the next week. Wow. Two at the tops. And it's up in the Big Dipper, so keep watching for it. Within the next week, you should be able to see it. It's called Atlas. Has a real fancy scientific name, something like Comet 19 or something, I don't know. But it's going to be coming, and then it'll get brighter and brighter and brighter, and scientists are excited.
Oh, yeah?
They are
Me
wondering,
too.
they think this is going to be the brightest comet in decades. And that's kind of exciting.
Wow.
Now,
Oh, there it is.
and there it is. Can you see it there? That's what it looks like right now. But to see it, you're probably going to need to have a telescope or binoculars. And as it gets really brighter and brighter, especially into May, they're saying it's going to be so bright that it might even be able to be seen during the day. That's amazing. I don't think we've had a comet like that since 1844, which is pretty amazing. This comet has not been by the Earth for 4,000 years. Did you know that there's only two people alive that were alive 4,000 years ago? It was me and one other guy. But at any rate, in May, we're expecting this comet is going to look green. And let's look at it again. Here it is in its greenness. And it's going to be getting long tails. It gets close to the sun. The solar wind pushes it out. Now, comets are usually snowballs, balls of frozen water, and the solar wind pushes the tail out, and the light from the sun lights it up, and they can become very long tails and very beautiful. I'm personally ready for a very bright comet. When I was young, I had a little star book, and I would read it, and it talked about comets. And one of the comets it talked about was Halley's Comet, and how amazing, how bright, how beautiful Halley's Comet was. And then they said what year it would come back again. And it was like, oh man, it's not for decades. But I'm going to wait for that. I can hardly wait to see this super bright comet. And then a few years ago it came. It was like Dudville. It was so dim. What a disappointment. Everybody thought this is going to be so great. And so now, ever since Halley's Comet dudded out, we've been waiting for something really bright and exciting, and it looks like it's finally here.
It's exciting.
Comet Atlas.